this was exercise 4.3 now. Okay, so 4.3. First question, making a quadrilateral MORE. This is a rough figure we have drawn in which we know that 2 of the sides, length, and 3 of the angles are known to us. Then if we want to construct this, obviously, since we know angles on either vertices of this length as well as this length, so we have to start by either drawing OR or OM. अब OR बनाने में, as we are seeing, we have 105, 105 and 105 requires lots of work. For making 105 degrees, we need to make 90 degree, then 30 का bisector 15 and then add it up to find 105. So we would preferably start by drawing OM. Okay, so start, make a line segment 6 centimeters, call it OM. That would be our first step. OM. And keep writing the dimensions also, children.
Yes, miss.
Measure 6 centimeters, write OM. Right?
Yes.
Now, at M, angle was 60 degrees. Okay, so keep your compass point here. How do we make 60 degrees? Make a semicircular arc.
Yes, miss.
Wherever this arc has cut your line segment, keep your compass here and cut first arc here. That first arc automatically is straight away 60 degrees. So 60 is the simplest angle possible, right?
Yes.
So keep your compass at M, semicircular arc with this point obtained here. Line segment में जो point मिला है arc से, वहाँ से एक और arc cut करो. Complete your line making 60 degree angle. Okay?
Yes.
Now, at O we have to make 105, and as we have studied that 105 degrees can be obtained as 90 plus 15. So there is bit work there. Now we will keep our compass at point at O, and again we make a semicircular arc here. Then from this point, the first arc that we cut is 60 degrees. Then keeping your compass at this point obtained, another arc will be another 60 degrees. 60, 60, 60. ऐसे पूरा straight angle 180 बनता है. Okay? Now, अब ये 60 and 60 का जो bisector होता है, 60 का half is 30. And 60 plus 30 is
90.
Okay, so that is how we obtain a 90 degree angle. 90 is obtained as 60 plus 30 degree, right? So अब हम next क्या कर रहे हैं? ये जो angle मिला था हमें in between 60 degree, इसका bisector बना रहे हैं. So for that bisector, now we keep our compass at this point, cut an arc above. From another point, also the same radius. Radius change नहीं करना है. Keep that in mind. Okay? So keep your compass here. जितना radius आपने यहाँ cut करा है, उतना ही यहाँ से भी cut करो. Right?
Yes.
All this is kind of revision work. You know how to make the angles. You are supposed to know. Okay? अब ये dotted line से आप, because 90 हमारा interest नहीं था, so you will make a dotted line here to complete your 90 degree. ठीक है, उसे dotted ही रखना because that is not actually the angle in question. Okay, so अब हमने क्या करा था? This was 60 we said, then this was 60 divided into 30, 30 each. 60 plus 30, 90. अब ये जो 30 है, अब हम इसका भी bisector बनाएंगे. 30 का half is 50. So ये 30 का जो bisector आएगा, that will be 15 more. So 90 plus 15 more, that will be equal to our 105. Okay? So अब ये point तो आपको पहले से मिला हुआ है. Now wherever the dotted line is meeting this semicircular arc, अब यहाँ पे भी एक point मिल जाएगा 90 degree वाली line पे. So from both these points, from 90 and 120, ये 120 का angle होता है. So from 90 and 120, cut 2 arcs with same radius. जैसे अभी हमने 90 के लिए cut करी थी, from both the arms, right? Then from here as well as here, these 2 points, and join this with O. This angle obtained will come out to be 105 degrees because इतना 90 था, उसमें हमने ये 30 का half 15 और add कर दिया. So 90 plus 15. That is how you will obtain your. Is anything visible?
Yes.
Okay, so this line or this 105 degrees angle that you had made, on that line, दिस इज द लाइन दैट यू हैव ऑब्टेन्ड नाउ 105 का एंगल आपने यहाँ बनाया
Yes.
ये लाइन मिल गई आपको अब इस लाइन में आप क्या करोगे वंस अगेन यू विल कट एन आर्क ऑफ 4.5 centimeters so keep your compass at O and cut an arc of 4.5 centimeters that point will be your point R all right now again the next we had no other choice 105 का एंगल था okay and अगर करोगे तो maybe this comes out to be let's make 105 only since we have already made it once so we know now how to make 105
Yes,
okay
yes.
so what should I do now again keeping your compass point at R we will make a semicircular arc from this point we will cut a one angle of 60 then from 60 another 60 means 120 now from 60 and 120 we will cut
90.
two arcs so to obtain a dotted line depicting 90 degrees but 90 हमारा इंटरेस्ट नहीं था अब हम वापस 90 and 120 का बाइसेक्टर बनाएंगे 90 to 120 30 degrees 90 100 110 120 उस 30 का बाइसेक्टर बनाएंगे because we need 15 degrees so keeping your compass at this point and this point cut another two arcs to find your bisector so this hole was 90 and this small angle you have made now is 15 so this whole complete angle from here to here what happened
कैसे गिराई?